Good morning, students. Myself Rajni Madhukar. I am once again here for you for the online classes. Student, in the last lecture, I explained you about the sense organ. And I explained you all the things. What is the meaning of the sense? Your chapter number 3 related to sense organs. Clear? Now, in this chapter, in the first lecture of this chapter, I explained you about the sense and what is the meaning of the organ and how does these parts of your body works. I showed you by the experiment that thing. Clear? Now, how many sense organ in human body? In human body, there are 5 sense organ. How many sense organ in the human body? There are 5 sense organ. How many sense organ? 5 sense organ. And these sense organ doing work for our body. How they work for our body? They work like a window. Okay, if you want to see out of your house, you use window or through the doors. But if you don't want to go out of your house, only you want to see the out of your house, you should use which thing? Window. Through the window you have to see all the things those are out of your house. In the same way our body use this sense organ to see the out what present out of the world. Okay, it means whatever the things are present are surrounding. Okay, this thing we know through the sense organ. Clear? And those parts help to sense or perform particular work, that is called organ. Clear? The sense means feel. You have to feel something. Those are out of the world, mean those are present in our surrounding. Clear? That is the feeling and that is the meaning of the things, means sense. Now, how many sense organ do we have? We have 5 sense organ. First sense organ is eye. Now the second sense organ is nose. Then third one is tongue. Now the fourth one is ear. Now the fifth one is skin. Okay, I already showed you the function of this sense organ through the experiment. Clear? Now here we will discuss about the eyes. This is the first sense organ. And what is the main function of the eyes? What is the work of your eyes? At present you see this video. Okay, through your which part of your body? Eyes. If you close your eyes, you cannot see anything. Means the most and important work of our eye is to see the world. Means your eyes help you to see or identify or rectify the things. Clear? What is the work of your eyes? What is the function of your eyes? Eyes help us to see the world. Which types of world? Means colors, size of the things. You have to see your relatives, your parents through your eyes, your friends. You have to able to read the things. Okay, through your eyes you read the book. Through your eyes you see this my video. Okay, means your eyes help you to see the world. Okay, now we will discuss today the structure of eye. Clear? Now the structure of eyes divided into basic 3 parts: iris, cornea and pupil. Clear? Now this part, what is the function of the eyes? Eyes help us to see the world. Okay, now eyes are covered with eyelashes and eyelids. Clear? Those are the outer part of your body. See this thing, skin. Have you seen the skin? Now this is the eyelids. What is the function of the eyelids? Eyelids protect the eyes from the harmful conditions. Means if suddenly dust come near to your eyes, or any dirt come near to your eyes, that time your eyelashes and your eyelid protect the eye. Okay. Suppose suddenly any the air comes in your eyes, okay, near comes in your eyes, so you automatically suddenly close your eyes like this way, na? Means these eyelids and eyelashes protect your eyes from the dust and dirt. Okay. Now if you open your eyes, you have to see first part of your eyes. What is the name of that part? That is the iris. Iris. Iris is the colorful part of your eyes. Okay. Means have you seen some people's eyes, the color of some people's eyes is black. Some people's color of eyes is brown. Okay. Some are green, blue eyes also. Some people have blue eyes. Okay. What is the reason? The color of their iris is different. Okay. See, this is the part of iris. Clear? Iris, we found the different colors of iris. Clear? Now this is the colorful part of your eyes. Clear? Next part is cornea. In front of the iris, where is this part present? In front of the iris. Okay. And this is the colorless part. This part have not colored. This is the transparent part. Okay. This is the transparent circular part. Clear? Like a ball. Now this is the simple picture of the eyes. Okay. I showed you two parts. Iris. Iris is the colorful part of the eyes. Now next part is cornea. Cornea is a transparent part. Okay. It has no color. Only this is the transparent part, like a mirror. Okay. Now after that, the last part of your eyes is pupil. The pupil is present in the center of your eyes. Clear? That is the black spot. Have you seen black spot in your eyes? That is the last center part of your eyes. Okay? Clear? Now, three part. After that, if you cut our eyes like this way. Okay? Clear? Which type? Means horizontal. Clear? Like this way. So we get this part, and this is the same part, iris, cornea and pupil. Clear? Now look here, iris is here, that is the internal part and it gives the color of your eyes. Now cornea in the center. This is the colorless part. Okay, only it help to see you to see the world. Clear? Now, and the pupil is the internal part. Okay, it focus the things. Suppose if you want to see this side thing, so the pupil help you to see or focus the thing. Okay, अगर किसी चीज को देखना चाहते हो तो उस पर फोकस करने के लिए आपको प्यूपिल की जरूरत होगी आपकी आईज में. कॉर्निया साइड बनाता है. ओके, कॉर्निया हेल्प लाइक अ मिरर. अगर आपको आपकी शक्ल देखनी है आईने में तो क्या करोगे, शीशे में देखोगे ना. इन द सेम वे इफ योर आईज वांट टू सी द वर्ल्ड, तो कॉर्निया हेल्प टू सी द वर्ल्ड. ओके, क्लियर? नाउ बट I already told you the sense organ connect with which part of your body? Which part of your body? Brain, because the brain control all the parts of your body. Like the same way your sense organ also connected with the brain. Same way our eyes also connected with the brain. But how they connect with the brain? Through the optic nerve. Which part connect with the brain? Optic nerves. If you want to see the world through your eyes, how you have to see? Optic nerves connect with brain. Okay, optic nerve connect with your brain. That brain help to make a sight, or if you want to see or if you want to read your book, so that time the optic nerve send the message to brain, and after that your cornea, pupil and iris is a colorful part. It gives only color of your eyes, but this cornea and pupil make a sight, and most and important part play here cornea. Okay, it focus the things. Through the cornea you focus the things. Clear? आँखों की एक दिशा बनाता है. After that you start reading, writing. Okay, or seeing your favorite picture. Okay, this thing happen through the brain. And which nerves help to send the message to brain? Optic nerves. Okay, it's already. If you want to see, go in front of the mirror and you have to see the small thread like structure in your eyes. That is the optic nerves. Clear? Now this is the structure of your eyes. Once again I repeat for you. Now this is the simple eye. You already seen your eye. If you stand in front of the mirror, you have to see your eyes. Now the colorful part, this part. Okay, this is the iris. Now some people have brown eyes, so this part responsible for that. Okay, some people have black eyes, some people have blue eyes, some have green eyes. Okay, so iris give the color of your eyes. Now the cornea is a colorless part. Okay, clear? Cornea only help you to see or make a sight. Now the most and important part that is in the center of your eyes, that is the pupil. Okay, that is the pupil. And what is the color of the pupil? The color of the pupil is black. Okay, clear? Now this is the structure of your eyes. Clear, student? Now The first part is iris. Okay, this is the colorful part of your eyes. It gives the color of your eyes. Clear? Now the second part is cornea. Cornea is a colorless part. Okay, it also in front of the which thing, दिस इज द ट्रांसपेरेंट पार्ट. ओके, आप इसके आगे पीछे दोनों तरफ देख सकते हो. ओके, इफ आई गिव यू वन ग्लास, ओके, एम्प्टी ग्लास आर एनी ग्लास. क्लियर? तो यू हैव टू सी इन द आउट ऑफ द ग्लास ऑल्सो. इन द सेम वे आई गिव यू वन ग्लास ऑफ स्टील. स्टील का ग्लास अगर आपको देगी, क्या आप उसके आस दूसरी तरफ देख सकते हो? अगर आंखों के सामने होगा तो नहीं देख सकते ना. अगर ग्लास का देंगे तो ग्लास का बना हुआ, कांच का बना हुआ ग्लास देंगे तो क्या होगा? आप उसके दोनों तरफ देख सकते हो ना. तो सेम हमारी आंखों का कॉर्निया भी ऐसा ही होता है. क्लियर? नाउ नेक्स्ट थिंग, नेक्स्ट पार्ट, प्यूपिल. that is the black in the color and also situated in the middle of our eyes. Now our brain connect with the eyes through the which nerve? Optic nerve. Clear? Now this is the part of our eyes. Now the retina. Retina is the part that focus the things and make a way. Okay, अगर आप किसी चीज को देखते हो तो सपोज आई गिव यू वन एग्जाम्पल. ओके, अगर आपको कोई सी चीज, इफ यू वांट टू सी एनीथिंग, ओके, एंड दिस इज द कॉर्निया. ओके, कॉर्निया इज अ ट्रांसपेरेंट पार्ट. आप इसके इस तरफ भी देख सकते हो, उस तरफ भी देख सकते हो. क्लियर? रेटिना आपकी आंखों के अंदर होता है. डेट इज प्रेजेंट इन द इनसाइड ऑफ योर आईज. ओके, रेटिना इज द लाइक suppose this is a flower. Okay, this is a flower. Which part of your eyes help you to see this thing? Cornea. Okay, but जिस चीज को आपने देखा है उसकी एक इमेज आपकी आईज में भी बनती है. वो कहाँ बनती है? रेटिना पर जाके बनती है. ओके, क्लियर? क्लियर? Now the fourth part is optic nerve. Optic nerve connect with our eyes, connect with the brain through the optic nerves. Okay, these are the part. Now the fifth part is retina. Okay, these are the parts of our eyes. Clear? How many parts of are your eyes? Iris, cornea, pupil, optic nerves and retina. These are the parts of our eyes. Clear? Now iris is a colorful part. Now the cornea is a transparent part. Now the pupil present, that is the black part of our eyes. It's situated in the center of our eyes. Okay, what is the color of the pupil? Black. Now the optic nerve connect the eyes with brain. Now the retina give the image, okay, to our eyes. Clear? Now The other thing also given in your textbook, I read for you this whole paragraph. I explained you this thing through the diagram. Now one time I read for you. Student, hold your book in your hand, put your finger on the first line, this chapter. Okay, I explain you only page number 15. Okay, chapter number 3. Read for you this thing. I also explain you in the detail. Okay, but I read for you. Our sense organ, chapter number 3. We have 5 sense organs. I explain you. Eyes, these are ears, eyes, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, the sense organs are the windows of our body. I explained you how they work for you. They help us to sense things around us. Okay, if you want to know the texture of the anything, you use your skin. If you know the smell of food items or any other thing, you use your nose. If you want to see, you use your eyes. Okay, if you want to taste the food, you use your tongue. Okay, now if you want to listen the voice of your friends or any other things, or if you want to listen music, you use your ears. Okay, so this way your sense organ works. The sense organs are connected to the brain with nerves. Okay, through the nerves your all the sense organ connected with the brain. Without brain they don't function. Okay, clear? The nerves carry message from the sense organ to the brain. Okay, how your brain collect the messages? Okay, if you listen the voice or music, so your ear functioning. Okay, start functioning, and your ear send the message to brain. Okay, and after that your mind react. या आप रिएक्ट करने लगते हैं ना, अच्छा म्यूजिक होता है तो डांस करने लगते हैं, ऐसे करके करते हैं ना. ओके, तो दिस इज द रिएक्शन. क्लियर? नाउ इफ यू स्मेल द फूड, your nose smell the food item. Okay, and if you like that food item, so you quickly start to eating that thing na. So that is the reaction. Your nose send the message to brain and your brain start functioning. Okay, the brain decide and give order for the right action. Okay, clear? brain मैसेज करेगा तभी तो राइट एक्शन शुरू हो जाती है ना. नाउ eyes, I explain you today this thing. Eyes are one of the most important sense organ. Okay, they help us to see and identify things. Okay, each eyeball is well fitted into a socket. Okay, it protect by the eyelids. Okay, these are the eyelids. Clear? And what is the function of the eyelids? Eyelids protects our eyes from the dust and dirt. Okay, it protect by the eyelids and eyelashes. They prevent the dust and dirt from falling into our eyes. The colored circle in the eyes is iris. Okay, and we found the different colors of iris. Some people have brown, some people have black, blue also, green also. Okay, the colored circle in the eyes is iris. In front part of the eyes is the transparent circular part called the cornea. Okay, the black spot in the center of the iris is pupil. Okay, light enter the eyes through it. A sensory nerves called the optic nerves which connect the eyes to the brain. I already explained you all the things. I only read for you one time this chapter. Okay, you also read this chapter at home. Now the next thing given, care of the eyes. How you should care of your eyes. The first thing what given in the textbook, wash your eyes a number of times in a day with clean water. Okay, and At present we are facing one type of virus, that is the coronavirus. Okay, and doctor also advise us कि don't touch your eyes without washing. Okay, first you wash your hand one time, two time, and after that you have to touch your eyes. Why? For the protection. Okay, and you also do same thing at home. Don't touch your eyes without washing. First you wash your hands and after that you touch your eyes. Clear? Now do not read anything in a movie vehicle. Means if you are traveling in any types of vehicle, suppose you are traveling by bike or car or bus, if you don't read that time anything, because it affect your eyes. Clear? Do not read while lying down on the bed. Means सोकर कभी कोई चीज़ नहीं पढ़नी चाहिए. If you want to read anything or watch anything, you have to sit. Don't sleep. Okay? Now, maintain a straight posture while reading. This is correct. Maintain a right posture means you have to sit straight and after that keep your book like this way in front of your eyes and start reading. Okay, like this way. Clear? Now, never read in dim light. Means if you want to read anything or if you want to do your study, so make sure if the proper lights come in that place. Okay, or the sunlight is not available there, so you should switch on the lights. Okay, and after that you do your study work. Now clean your eyes with a clean towel. Means if you want to clean your eyes, okay, first you use clean water and after that if you want to clean your eyes, so you should use a clean handkerchief or clean towel. Okay. Now get your eyes checked in every 6 months. Okay, if suppose if you are facing any problem related to see anything through your eyes, so that time you should check your eyes. Okay, go the eyes specialist and once a time you have to check your eyes. Okay, clear? This is related to your eyes. Now student, I explained you all the things related to first sense organ, that is the eyes. Okay, clear? Now after that, next is given ears. Before that I explain you tongue. What is the function of your tongue? What is the use of your tongue? If you want to taste or if you eat anything, you should identify the taste of that thing, na? So through your tongue you should identify the taste of food items. Okay? Now, but which only tongue help you to taste the food? No. One thing also present on your tongue. Okay? That is the taste bud. That is the taste bud. Taste bud present on the tongue. That taste bud identify the taste of food and you know the taste of food item, means sweet. The taste of the food item is sweet or salty or bitter. Okay, so but for that your different parts of your tongue help you to identify the taste, not whole tongue. ये पूरी tongue नहीं करती है, some parts. Okay, we also divide our tongue in the different parts, and that parts identify the taste of the food item. And which thing help to taste the food? That is the taste bud. Okay, those are present on the tongue that help you to identify the taste. Clear? Now student, I finish my lecture here. Tomorrow I explain you about the different parts of the tongue, and rest of the chapter means ears, nose and skin. I explain you all these sense organ, okay, through the diagram. Now I finish my lecture here. Bye bye.